Today we're going to be checking out the Form Lighting LED side marker lights with a smoked lens designed to fit the 2024 and newer Mustangs. Now if you're looking to upgrade your stock side markers with a modern high visibility LED that's going to enhance both the style and safety, then these are going to be a great option. These lights are going to provide a more aggressive, slick, custom appearance while improving visibility when you compare them to those factory bulbs. These Form Lighting LED side marker lights are designed to provide a significant upgrade in both aesthetics and performance. The full LED strip down the entire light is going to deliver a brighter, more uniform light output, making your Mustang more noticeable at night and in low visibility conditions. Now this smoked lens gives the lights a stealthy, blacked out look. For those of you who want a more aggressive exterior style, these are definitely going to help you out. The plug-and-play design ensures that the installation is hassle-free, allowing you to quickly enhance the lighting without any complicated wiring. Also, these markers are fully sealed against moisture and road debris, ensuring long-lasting durability with less maintenance of those LEDs. These side markers are built with high-quality materials, and they're going to feature an impact-resistant polycarbonate lens that withstands the harsh weather conditions and that daily driving wear and tear. The internal LED circuit board is designed for longevity, providing a crisp, bright illumination that's not going to fade over time. This smoked lens finish is going to add a stylish contrast while maintaining full light output for optimal visibility. Now, as far as pricing comes on this full set of side markers, they're going to come in right around that $100 price range for a set of all four, which is a nice price point for a smoked out lens that helps give that slick, blacked out custom aesthetic, along with the LED technology that these lights provide. Now installation is going to be very straightforward, so we're rating this one the simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this installed in just 1 hour or less of your time. These side markers feature a direct fit, plug and play design, so you just simply remove the old factory markers, connect the new LED replacements, and snap them right into place. Now, let's throw it on out to the shop and they can give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that installation process goes.
Tools required for this install include a plastic pry tool. What's up guys? Today we're installing side marker lights on our Mustang, so let's get started. So to remove our factory side markers, it's going to be real easy. Just grab a plastic pry tool or something you can stick in here that's not going to scratch your paint. And you're just going to go from the top, just wedge your tool in there, and I'll just pry against it to release that clip. Pull it out and then press in that black tab on your connector and pop your light out. And do the same thing for the rear and the other side. And now with our new side marker, we're just going to do that exact same thing in the opposite order. Plug in your connector. And then this little clip is going to slide in through the bottom. And then just push your clip in at the top until it clicks. And then repeat that process for the rest of your side markers. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Form Lighting LED side marker lights, smoked, for your 2024 and newer Mustang. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.